What up, everybody? It's your boy Lord DC, aka Capital DC, back at it once again. Here to enhance your life through this information, man. But before I get into everything, man, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell. That bell lets you know when I drop any more content. Check out some of my music. All my music is positive. Everything that I put on this channel, everything that I do will be able to enhance your life through the mind, body, or soul. Either way, your life will be enhanced with anything that I'm associated with, because I won't associate my life with anything less. So in this video, man, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of berries. But even before I get into that, I am one of the co-owners of a healthy juice shop called We Juice that's located in Hazel Park, Michigan. The address is 906 East 9 Mile. And what we do is we specialize in raw juices, smoothies, sandwiches. We got sushi, shea butter, jewelry, all that good stuff to enhance your life. So the thing what we do is we don't use no powdered sugars, no added flavors, no seasonings. We don't even carry any ice, because the ice will water it down. So what we do is we chill half and we freeze half, so that way it's still ice cold. So you guys get 100% of the product. So in this video, I'm going to further elaborate on the benefits of eating berries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. The benefit and why you should eat them, and what'll happen to your body after you eat those things. First thing first, berries are very good for you. Berries are very good for you. The number one berry of them all, the strawberry. The strawberry. You want to eat some strawberries. It's good for your heart. Fights off heart disease, any kind of cancer. First of all, berries in general are loaded with vitamin C. Berries in general are good for antioxidants. Antioxidants good for your cells. It help protect your cells. And your cells are used to run the body functionally. Everything works like a team. Everything works in cohesiveness. Cells are really, really extreme and really, really vital portion of your body. And the antioxidants that these berries carry are good for your cells. So blood. So any kind of berries, they're good at antioxidants. If you don't know what an antioxidant is good for your cells. Your body is like a team. Everybody works in cohesiveness, so your body can function properly. Cells do just that. Sex protect you from any type of disease, and antioxidants protect your cells. And antioxidants also helps break down your food. So protect your cells. You have to have your cells flowing in good order. Antioxidants does that for you, and you can get antioxidants from any other berries. Blueberries, raspberries, blueberries, all that stuff. Just berries in general. Next, I want to talk about the blackberry. The blackberry is an excellent source of vitamin C as well, which means it's good for your immune system, prevent you being sick. Eat these berries, you won't have to worry about being sick. It's a great immune booster. Also improves brain function. Blackberries are good for your brain. You want a healthy brain. You want to keep the brain flowing, keep the blood flowing in the brain. Blackberries will aid that, will be good for it. And it also has manganese. For those that don't know, manganese helps form the body and connect the tissue. in the brain, everything. It connects the tissue in your body. That's what manganese does, and that's provided in the blackberries. And it also regulates blood sugar, and that's what helps provide the necessary function for your brain and your nerves. So, blackberry, excellent fruit you need to do. And another one I have is good old raspberries. Raspberries fight against diabetes, obesity, cancer, and then one great thing for all my women out there, for everybody that want to reduce your age, you don't want to look as old, try adding raspberries to your diet. It's a good way to reduce your age, have you looking younger, good for your skin. It improves your balance, and it's good for your strength as well. Another thing that you want to focus on that these berries supply you with is magnesium. Magnesium supports your muscle strength. So all my people that's working out in the gym, add strawberries to your diet. It helps support your muscles. It's actually a good immune booster, and like I said, it's good energy booster too. Your body needs magnesium to stay healthy. Your body needs magnesium. So with that said, eat any of the berries, eat all the berries that you can. I broke down the benefits of strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. So go ahead and get that into your life, man. Like I said, here at this channel, I promote anything that'll help you enhance your life, whether that's through the mind, whether that's through the body, whether that's through the soul. Today, we're doing the body and we're doing the mind. Berries through these berries are very good. Berries are very good for you. So let's add berries in our regimen. At least one meal a day. Consider eating any kind of berries. Blueberry, raspberry, blackberries, strawberries, all that stuff, man. Add that to your diet. Berries. Berries are very good for you. Loaded with antioxidants, which is good for your cells. Loaded with magnesium, which is good for your heart, and it's also good so the body can function. It's good for energy too. And another thing is manganese. Manganese helps the connective tissue so it can regulate your blood sugar and maintain the brain and your nerve function. So once again, let's add berries. Let's eat more healthy. I'm not telling you to stop eating whatever you want to eat. Eat the snacks. Do all that stuff if you must. But to counteract that, let's try at least one meal a day eating something healthy. I'm recommending these berries. Have your berries change your life. Berries are very good for you. Man, I'm Lord DC. If you're ever in the Hazel Park area, check me out at my shop, Weed Juice. And we promote any type of health, anything to enhance your life. We want you to live longer. You know, it's a lot of stuff out here that they promote that really isn't good for you. So I want to promote the stuff that is good for you. Put that on the front street. Share this video. Send this video to a friend. Let them know how important it is to eat berries. Catch me at Weed Juice. You can't lose with the juice we use. Everything fresh, all fruit, no ice. I'm DC. Let me enhance your life. God bless.